DeepSeek V3 has emerged as a game-changer in the realm of space innovation. But how does it stack up against the powerful ChatGPT? In a world where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we tackle complex problems, DeepSeek V3 utilizes advanced algorithms to analyze vast quantities of data from space missions. It identifies patterns and insights that may elude even the sharpest human minds. Meanwhile, ChatGPT excels in natural language processing, generating human-like text responses that can assist in brainstorming ideas, solving problems, and even crafting captivating narratives about space exploration. So, which one truly outsmarts the other? DeepSeek V3 focuses on data-driven decision-making, while ChatGPT thrives on communication and creativity. Together, they can create a synergy that pushes the boundaries of what we know about our universe. Imagine the possibilities when DeepSeek identifies potential new planets, and ChatGPT crafts the story of how we might explore them. The future of space innovation may not be about choosing one over the other, but leveraging their unique strengths. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on the intersection of technology and space exploration.